Hello, in front of me I've got Realme GT Neo 3T. In this video I'll show you how to manage Google Wallet. In the beginning, let's enter Wallet app, select account, and from the homepage of this app you can add payment card, check quick tips, manage your passes and add new passes like transit pass, loyalty and gift card. If you go to menu, you've got access to your Google accounts, all wallet tips, tap to pay setup where you can set up payment card, check if NFC is on, if Google Pay is set as your default, if you've got a lock screen set, and if your phone meets security requirements. Next you can check full list of participating banks and password manager. Then, in your data in wallet you can manage payments data and passes data. In wallet settings, you can manage payments profile, add passes from Gmail, enable or disable review purchases, updates about your passes, updates from wallet and Google Pay. In the end, you can go to wallet settings, help and feedback, and that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.